What the heck?
Yet.
Jet is crazy. It's too warm for hail.
Nope, not true. Summer's when you see a lot of hail.
What's that?
Hail?
What's it made out of?
Ice.
Okay, then why in the summer? That makes no sense.
So when you get really way high up in the atmosphere, it's really, really freaking cold. And there's very little atmosphere.
Isn't the higher? Isn't the lower you get is cold and the higher you get?
Nope. Well, when you're talking about convection, yes. But when you're talking about the atmosphere and miles above the surface of the Earth, no. You get less atmosphere. There's no
Like-
heat retention. There's nothing. It's just.
So that's why like
It's
at the
just
top of
cold.
Mount Everest is always cold.
Wait, what?
Is that why the top of Mount Everest is always like?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, yeah.
So there's no atmosphere. It can't hold the temperature in. So it doesn't. It just gets really cold like space.
Yeah. Can't see anything.
Yeah, this is a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying this. We're gonna have to wait until this dies down for us to do this one.
Yeah, that. And listen to us. Sort of.
I don't know, we going for a minute.
I literally have a blanket on right now. One of the most relaxing things is just laying in the car when you have a blanket while it's raining.
And it's
Really
comfortable. But yeah.
Yeah. My God, do you see the freaking road?
What the heck?
Like, what the heck? I turned the camera this way. Perfect timing. Look at that.